Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen head unit special for Hyundai Tucson 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, it comes with a special harness and canvas box. This canvas box. Okay, this is factory plug. Okay, so it plug and play. It comes with AUX input left and right, and video in, and camera input. Okay, you can check this front panel, this volume, and this next knob. And this name button built in Google Maps. This volume, this radio, mute, home button, built-in microphone, and reset hole. Okay, you can choose logo. And Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, change the Hyundai logo. And you can edit the color with green, blue, red, any color you can set it on the settings. Okay, all apps are here. This AC information will display. And easy connection for mirror link. Built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. Built-in YouTube and Google Maps. And vehicle information. Okay. Let me check the settings. You can check the RAM 4GB, ix35, Android 10 system. Okay, let me back. It's built-in Wi-Fi, connected Wi-Fi, and supports 4G and hotspot from your phone. Okay, firstly let me introduce the Bluetooth. You can check this storage. Total 64 GB. Built-in Bluetooth. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone. Enable Bluetooth and click search button. Okay, and click pair. your phone will get the command. You can put the 40 pin number 40. You try again. Okay, put the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Okay, paired device Galaxy. You can make phone call. Okay, it work Bluetooth free phone call. And you can stream music from your phone. Okay, this is streaming music from your phone. This is Bluetooth. Let me show the music. All apps are here. You can open the music. This USB driver connects USB. There are 2 USB cable. Okay. And it shows picture. And you can adjust the amplifier, this built-in DSP amplifier. Balance. Okay. You can play video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Open the settings and find car setting, drum setting, turn on watch video. You can play video from USB or SD card slot. It's full screen. Okay. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website. You can visit amazon.com. And you can visit belsee.com, blse.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.